Presenting the Kia 2018 Forte LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 2.0L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage, clock, and dash, external temperature display and front seat type, bucket. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.